Ito yung pianono na ordinary na mas malambot pa sa chiffon cake. For our recipe, 500 grams of sugar, 2 medium-sized eggs, half a can of oil, equivalent to 200 ml, 1 packet gulaman or gelatin, equivalent to 12 grams, and we will dissolve it in 1 can of water, equivalent to 400 ml. Pour 1 can of water and stir continuously until the gulaman dissolves and becomes thick. Pour the dissolved gulaman and also add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. In the traditional recipes of our ancestors, they really did add yeast to gluten-free breads. After adding the dissolved gulaman, stir it to dissolve the sugar. After stirring and dissolving the sugar, weigh out 500 grams of bread flour, then also add 100 grams of powdered milk and 1½ tablespoons of baking powder. Mix this together, then combine with the previous ingredients and stir until a batter forms. After stirring, add another cup of water to achieve the right consistency. After everything is done, divide this mixture into 2 parts. If I'm not mistaken, the size of the baking pan is 16 by 8. After placing it in the baking pan, tap it to remove air bubbles and let it rise for 30 minutes. I cooked it for 12 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Let's try folding it at the sides because it's so soft, it won't crack. We'll roll it while it's still slightly warm, but first we'll spread or wipe it with margarine before rolling.